A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Grace and Resolve, the sacred balance of Dharma. Ladies and gentlemen, in the quiet rhythm of the universe, balance is life's first law. Galaxies keep their spiral because gravity bows to motion. Neurons fire because excitement yields to restraint. Even the smallest cell survives through a dance of creation and release. This cosmic symmetry is mirrored in the human spirit. Among its finest harmonies lies a rare union, humility that bends like a reed and firmness that stands like a mountain when the truth of Dharma must prevail. Biology speaks first. The human heart beats only through a perfect counterpoint of contraction and rest. Too much of either and life falters. In the brain, every thought is a conversation between opposing forces. Neurons that excite and neurons that calm, showing that wisdom is never the triumph of impulse but the art of balance. Quantum science whispers the same secret. Reality unfolds when infinite possibilities condense into one clear act of presence. It is a universe where gentleness and decisive creation exist as partners, not rivals. The heavens themselves teach it. Stars are born when vast clouds surrender to gravity and then ignite with unyielding fire. Without humility, there is chaos. Without firmness, there is no light. Indian mythology offers a luminous archetype in Lord Shiva. In still meditation, he embodies boundless humility and compassion for the cosmos. Yet, in the fierce dance of Tandava, he stands immovable in duty, dissolving what must end so creation may begin anew. This is not destruction for its own sake. It is the steadiness of Dharma expressed through both quiet grace and decisive action. Ancient insight elsewhere joins the chorus. Taoist masters speak of yin and yang. The Upanishads reveal the still witness and the active doer. Modern psychology confirms it. Resilience thrives when empathy softens strength and moral clarity steadies compassion. Humility opens the mind to learn. Firmness anchors the soul against the drift of expedience. But balance is never passive. Silence before injustice is not humility, it is abdication. Dharma, the law of right action, sometimes calls for an unwavering stand. History remembers those who embodied both quiet grace and fearless resolve. Healers who challenged dogma to save lives, scientists who defied convention to unveil truth, leaders who met oppression with calm but unbreakable courage. Their strength was not aggression, it was alignment with a deeper order. What's the way forward? The journey begins within. First, cultivate humility through meditation, contemplation, and the patient study of nature, each a mirror of the vastness beyond the self. Second, temper the will through disciplines that train moral courage, setting boundaries, defending the vulnerable, speaking truth with compassion. Third, shape institutions that pair transparent governance with the courage to uphold principle over popularity. Fourth, educate future generations to cherish both the receptive mind and the steadfast heart, so humanity meets global challenges without arrogance and without fear. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and as profoundly stated in the revered Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna offered a timeless compass. Equanimity itself is yoga. To act without attachment, to stand firm in dharma while remaining humble before the infinite is the highest yoga. When humility bows to the eternal and firmness rises for the just, the human spirit reflects the very architecture of the cosmos, where stars and souls alike shine only through perfect balance. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.